Here, now I am. Okay, let's start all over. What does Santa say? Okay, and what does a snake say? What does a cow say? What does a bear say? What does a frog say? A monster frog, maybe. What does what does turkey say? What's a bunny say? What have we not done? Horsey. What's a horsey saying? What's a kitty cat say?
Meow. What does a puppy say? Wolf.
What does I don't know.
What does the snake say, Luigi?
I don't know what we haven't done yet. What's a tiger say?
What does the bear say?
What have we not done?
What does a monkey say?
What does a piggy say?
Oink oink.
What else do you know? What color is your cup?
Really low.
Yeah, start really low. So that it
What color is it?
Color.
What color is it?
Cup.
What color is your cup?
Cup.
What color is it?
What thing we did
Cup.
What color is it?
real nice.
Orange.
Orange. Yeah. Pink.
Orange.
And this is red. Red.
Thanks. Alright, say I love you.
Love you.
And say bye.